What's up, guys? Today we got a special Beyblade here, Zwei longinus. So let's just proceed to unbox it. So we got the Zwei base, the longinus chip, Metsu weight, Drake disc, and spiral dash driver, which is kind of disappointing, but it's okay. Oh. I don't feel it. So if you watch the anime, you know that the owner already lost to Drum, Dante, and will never be seen again. I don't know. Either way, this Beyblade is still the most powerful Gatinko Beyblade there is so far. I'm pretty sure, maybe tied with Dread Bahamut. Let's see. Nice, this looks awesome. My first time getting this Zwei longinus bait. I mean lunar longinus bait. Okay. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is heavy. So here we got the Zwei base with the real metal dragon heads. But although the design is kind of plain, to be honest, and it's a nice chip there. Yeah. So we got this, and we also got Metsu, which is like a Z, and it connects to the dragon heads. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Next up, we got, let's see. We got ourselves the Drake disc. This is not as heavy as Zero, but yeah, those dragon heads are really nice. So like in the anime, like Zwei Hammer, basically like the dragon heads align. So as you can see, like this is the head over here. So maybe like after one click or it's a line. That's very awesome. But seems like it's only good with the longinus though. Just like Chozy Valkyrie with the what's the name? Wow, forgot, but anyways. Finally we got the spiral dash. So there's a spring lock that makes it tighter and harder to burst. It's not bad, but it's kind of old because it's from the first generation, which hopefully performs well. But it's not good for making like a flower pattern or whatever, those patterns, you know, banking. So here we got one click. Oh, this is tight. Wait, how many clicks? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like 3 clicks, something like that. Man, this is tight. Oh. Wow. Awesome. Looks heavy and nice. That shape is good. It's like Fornius, which is like up and down. So now we're gonna do some test battles. I'll put the stickers another day, but it's here. Okay, advertisement of takara tomy. We got those bad combos. Okay. Also the Diabolos, which has already been released, which is okay, I guess. And yeah, we got the instructions. So let's put that aside. Now we're gonna do some test battles. Got here my Hasbro Slingshot launcher. Left. Wait, just wanna test if I do like this. Oh. Okay, hey boy. Okay, yeah, the shape is maybe not the best for this. Oops. How do I do this? Oh. Oh. Wow, that's a lot. That's nice. That's a nice sound also. Okay, so stamina wasn't that bad. I like spiral, to be honest. I like that circling pattern. Okay, that's a nice shape. Spinning. Also, that gold in the center is nice. Can it actually hold? Oh no. So, yeah, okay. Maybe the shape is not the best for my launcher, but I can work with it. So, its opponent will be, sorry, but Reverse Fafnir Spread Eternal. Sorry, but because this thing has been on a winning streak so long, you know, even with, where is it, Judgment, I can't even be defeated because it's left spin. It just keeps absorbing my attacks. Finally, I have a Beyblade that can counter it 100%. Okay, that's scrapey. That's scrapey. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's 1 point Fafnir. I guess because my launcher doesn't have the best shape for it. Doesn't launch that well. Okay, didn't get any clicks. Let's try again. Come on, longinus! Zwei hammer! No, it keeps scraping on my stadium. That's not good. Gone, burst it, no! No! Why? Scrap. Well, how about we try with the fake launcher I got here? Maybe it's better, I guess. Oh. Never mind. Okay, never mind. But I have another launcher in Canada, and maybe that actually works. Come on. Oh, there we go. think no. I think my launcher is okay. There we go. The king of left spin is here. Maybe only Dread Bahamut can really defeat it. Is it me or is this Fafnir actually better than the Wizard Fafnir? Could be better. So the score is 2-2. Hey hey. That's really powerful. There's the spiral disc. Of course the pattern is not very good. So we're gonna do one more battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Rip. No, longinus. No. Oh, there we go. We got those hits. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, go back there. Okay, so I made him. Okay, maybe it won because I kind of pushed it back, but. So that's way longinus for you. If you like this video, subscribe to me so I can post more videos. And in the next battle, we'll have Zwei Longinus versus Judgment Joker. And hopefully we'll also do some drafts. See you next time.